Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Search Console data in Looker Studio step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Looker Studio. Log in using your Google account. On the Looker Studio homepage, click on the blank report option to create a new report. In the prompt that appears, give your report a meaningful name. After naming your report, click on the Add Data button. In the Data Source selection window, scroll down or use the search bar to find Google Search Console. Once you locate Google Search Console, you may be prompted to authorize access to your Search Console data. Click Authorize to grant access. If you are not already logged into your Google Search Console account, log in at this point. After authorizing, select the specific property that you want to use for your report. Click on the Connect button to link your Search Console data. In the next screen, you will see a preview of the metrics available from your Search Console account. Review the fields displayed and modify as needed. After confirming your selections, click Add to Report. Your Search Console data is now integrated into the Looker Studio report. Customize your report layout and add charts or graphs to visualize the data. Once you have configured your report to your satisfaction, you can save your changes. Your Looker Studio report is now ready to provide insights from Google Search Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.